Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. There's a lot going on right now. I'm still trying to get the office built for you guys so I can continue to do the daily videos for you guys. Just with the screaming children constantly running around, it's really tough. But I do have a quiet moment. The kids are outside playing in the backyard. But I just want to go over the fact that we just lost this daily uptrending level of support and how we could potentially be going down, going down and revisiting these low levels again. I see us coming down to at least, 16,500. If we lose that area of control, then we can come all the way down to, 16,100 roughly again, and potentially creating a double bottom formation. Now this is a fish hook that we're building right now. We started to, we're basically at the top of the fish hook formation and we just lost the momentum. So this is a sign to tell us to get out of any long positions and prepare to go into short positions. Not financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I'm preparing for. So this is a daily candle support trend line right here. If we go over to the lower time frames like the hourly, we can see we're coming back up to kind of retest it. But the important thing to note before thinking about entering any short positions is just make sure that we have a daily candle close below this support right here. And so if it flips and turns into resistance, then that's our time to prepare for a short position. We got price action currently inside of this range. So we can see what we traded sideways here. This was honored as support. This was honored as resistance. And now it's honored as support again. And we may come back up before we're losing this momentum to see this act as resistance again. So yeah, that's just one thing to prepare for. The moment I see, price action break below this uptrend level of support, that's when I'm going to be entering a short, so long as it times out relatively well for the daily candle close. If I see that we're creeping our way up here, which should take about on average, but yeah, so we should lose this support by the end of the day. So this is like a 20-hour climb right here because this is the hourly candle chart right now. So we can most likely lose this uptrend level support before we see a daily candle close, and that could be our moment to be entering a short position. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. If you guys have any questions about this, you can reach out to me in the Discord. There's another thing I want to show you guys really quick because it's really important. It's kind of trending right now. We're starting to see all these exchanges actually reveal to us their reserves. And there's this new tool on CoinMarketCap that I want to show you guys. So if we were to start over on how I found this page, but basically this page is shows you addresses, the balance of the asset, the valuation of the asset, and if you click on here, you can actually like copy the address if you want to search it up on the blockchain. Another thing you can do as well is just click over here and where it says View Source, and you can see Binance, Nansen, DeFi Llama, and you can actually go and view the addresses from those sources. So let's look at Binance, for example. And you can see right here which network it's tied to, where they have the asset network stored, and stuff like that. And you click on it, and it'll bring you right to the blockchain. So BTC.com in this example. And it'll show you the reserves. Click on the address again, and it'll give you a better summary of where everything's been going, where the outflows, inflows, stuff like that. So this is really helpful to verify solvency for exchanges. If we go over to here, so I can show you how I found it. So if we go to any of the tabs here, so if we go to cryptocurrency, click on ranking, and you can see all the assets. If you want to try to find the reserves for a specific exchange, you just click on the asset for Bitcoin, click on markets, and then you'll see this new little icon next to each of the pairs. Now this is something I've spotted when I was doing the trade hunting call with the elite members, but basically if you see this little exchange reserves data available here, that means that they've shown their information. Anyone who doesn't have it next to their pair, that basically means that they don't hasn't revealed the reserves for that pair, so you just got to be a little more cautious about it. And yeah, just click on this and it'll bring it right to the page that we were at before. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I want to show you guys. If you have any questions about this, you can reach out to me in the Discord, and have yourself an amazing day. Thank you.